Are you experiencing excess fat accumulating around your stomach? Are you struggling with constant low energy levels, tiredness after meals, and poor sleep? Have you been recommended to take medication for things like high blood pressure or high cholesterol levels? If you've answered yes to any of these questions, then it really is time for you to heal your metabolic health. Hi, I'm Ricky, a registered osteopath, naturopath, and fitness professional with over 20 years of experience helping people reverse lifestyle-related health conditions and completely transform how they feel, look, and perform. The Metabolic Health Reset was born out of my clinical experience. Over the years, I've seen a staggering rise in symptoms linked to poor metabolic health, such as constant fatigue, stubborn weight gain, brain fog, high blood pressure, persistent joint pain, digestive issues, and poor sleep, to name just a few. In my work as a clinician, I could only offer temporary relief for some of these issues, but I quickly realized that this wasn't enough, and people needed more than a short-term fix. They needed a lasting solution. And that's when I started to focus on addressing the root causes of their symptoms. Within weeks of helping many of my clients and patients stabilize their blood glucose, improve their insulin sensitivity, and unlock their stored body fat, the results were absolutely astonishing.
I've cut out my painkillers by 75% and I'm continuing to reduce them. My stomach is better, I don't have reflux anymore.
I've lost 8 kilos and counting, which is amazing. So basically lost all that perimenopause weight, and I'm in better shape than I have been for a long time, and I feel a lot better.
Don't have any more reflux. I'm sleeping better for longer and I'm feeling better when I wake up in the mornings. My memory has improved tenfold. I was getting worried I was getting old.
I have a good night's sleep, so when I wake up I feel rested and ready to go. I think it's certainly well worth it. I learned a lesson about myself that I didn't know, and especially being in the perimenopause stage of life that I am in now, it's been very beneficial.
What I've enjoyed most is empowering me and giving me the motivation and mindset to actually get rid of a massive sugar addiction.
The whole course has been fabulous. I don't have acid reflux like I had before. I sleep better, I'm more confident.
With the routine that I followed, my insulin resistance came down drastically and my fasting glucose was considerably low.
Weight loss has been, it wasn't really my priority. I think as I've grown as an individual, I think now it's about optimal health. But yeah, doing the course is over a stone I've dropped in 4 weeks. So nutrition, mindfulness, the stress resilience I found quite fascinating. I want to continue with that.
You don't feel as bloated, you don't feel as tired, you feel good about yourself, and when you feel good about yourself, that's also associated with your confidence.
I would highly recommend anyone who is keen to improve their current health, or those who wish to pursue optimal health, find out more from Ricky about how they can improve themselves.
These life-changing results really inspired the Metabolic Health Reset program, which is a flexible, personalized, and sustainable solution for reclaiming your vitality. This isn't a quick 8-week fix, it's a blueprint for lifelong health and vitality. This program really does empower you to take control of your health and live the vibrant life that nature intended for you. But this isn't just about you and me. We're in the midst of a global metabolic health crisis, and conditions like obesity, type 2 diabetes, insulin resistance, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease are rising at alarming rates, not just in adults, but in children too. And the lifestyle habits that we have normalized are now being passed down, with younger generations suffering the consequences much earlier in life than ever before. This is your chance to break free from stubborn and frustrating symptoms, low energy, and poor health, not just for you, but for those you care about the most. So if you're ready to unlock your untapped potential and step into a more energetic, healthier, and longer life, welcome to the Metabolic Health Reset, the last health program you'll ever need to do. Let's transform your health together.